If you are into iodine, TCP, Band-Aid, tar, hospital smell, well, then this whiskey is for you. If not, swipe away, my dear friend, swipe away and run away. And for those people that are still here, congratulations, you are a Peathead. Welcome to the Whiskey Lovers Society with me, Gert Retief. Please remember to like, share, hype and subscribe, help the channel grow. On to tonight's whiskey. I did pour it some time ago. It is a lovely light whiskey. It is 5 years old, and you've seen on the thumbnail it is a Kilchoman, and a Kilchoman with a lot of character. Only 5 years old, but when you bring it to the nose, it takes a little bit of time. And I would encourage you, don't just go to the nose. You might feel a little bit intimidated, especially if you're still new to the peated whiskies. This is from the 100% Islay, the 5th edition. Vintage of 2009, and it was bottled in 2015. So 5 years old, a young whiskey, a very young whiskey indeed. Fresh and refill ex-bourbon cask. And they made 10,000 bottles of these. So, and they are still available. But it's all about the nosing and tasting, and if you're going to like it. Natural color, non-chill filtered, and it's 50% ABV. So quite a strong boy, my type of whiskey. And of course, on the nose, that peatness is there. It is not really an overpowering peat note. And it does go away. From when I poured this, it was quite strong. That TCP, iodine, tarry note, that hospital smell does come out. But with a little bit of time and not much, you'll find there's a release of that lovely aromas from that ex-bourbon cask. There's a light sweetness coming through. There's a little bit of a vanilla note that comes out, and that's caused from that ex-bourbon barrels. And the sweetness just feels like every time that I go back, it's a little bit more sweeter. A little citrusy note. There's a little bit of that, like a wetness, like a little sea breezy note. A little bit of a lemon meringue pie coming out. Every time that I go back, it's a little lemony note. And it becomes lighter. It becomes a little bit sweeter. And it's a little bit like a summer in a glass. Quite pleasant, but you need to be well into your journey with peated whiskies to appreciate the nice aromas that come out. Price-wise, well, here in my part of the world, you're paying from about 75 euros, and it can go up to 80, 83, 84 euros. Not cheap for a 5-year-old whiskey. Yes, it is 50% ABV, but yeah, whiskey prices are really getting crazy. Taste-wise, cheers. Taste-wise, the first thing that you get is that peat. Then you get quite a lot of sweetness. Then you get a little bit of almost like a sherbety note that I get. There's a little bit of, let me just try again. A little lemony note. It's a little spicy note. It's a little tingle on the tongue from that 50% ABV. There's a hint of oak coming through already, which is a little bit of a surprise. Only 5 years old, ex-bourbon. So I'm a little bit surprised of that oakiness that come out. But I think it's a nice balance between the sweetness and that oak. Not overly sweet. I think it is little, it's a perfect sip. Last sip. If you swirl it around in the mouth, everything is covered. That peat is get a little bit elevated and it clings with a sweetness. And when all of a sudden the sweetness starts to disappear and I'm left with that dry, oaky note, quite a little bit of a bitter note that comes in. Very surprised with that one. Now, I do like this, but I think it's not going to be for everyone. If you are not into peated whiskies and you try this for the first time, I think you are going to be a little bit disappointed. I think you are going to feel like that peat note, that dry note, that, that TCP, that Band 8, all of those things that's not supposed to be in a whiskey. Takes time to get happy with this type of whiskey. Last sip. I do like it. 50%, I'm not going to add water. Take small sips, just swirl it around in the mouth, cover everything, and just sit back and enjoy it. If you're going to add a little bit of water, well, it will take water well, but if you do add water, a couple of drops at a time, don't over water your whiskey. So that, my dear friends, if I have to buy it, it is expensive. For me, a 5-year-old should not be, it should not be in the €80 range for me. But if I'm offered a drink at a pub or drink at a friend's house and it is this one, I will be quite happy. Score-wise, I will give this one about 87 out of 100. It is a lovely whiskey. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to do that, liking, the sharing and subscribing, and it helps the channel grow and of course give me some motivation for the next video. See you next time. Cheers.